Welcome to Scodeen Global. This is one of the sophisticated and intelligent Microsoft Azure Cloud Computing syllabus. The course structure is named as Integrated Enterprise Cloud Computing, that is IECC for Microsoft Azure. It covers Azure architectural components and services, compute, networking, and storage. It will complete the certification levels such as DP 100, I 100, and AI 300. It integrates powerful technology to satisfy business demand with Azure, Python, Devops, and Unix. Various modules such as Module 1, Cloud Computing and Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. Module 2, Azure Virtual Machines. Module 3, Introduction to Azure Virtual Network and Services. Module 4, Microsoft Azure Storage. Module 5, Manage Azure Active Directory AD. Module 6, Manage App Service Plans. Module 7, Azure SQL Database. Module 8, Azure Backup and Site Recovery. Module 9, Azure ARM Template. Module 10, Configure Serverless Computing. Module 11, Manage App Services. Module 12, Data Factory. Module 13, Azure Container Service. Module 14, Azure Cosmos DB. We provide best placement support in the. These are a few offer letters who have got placed recently in top multinational company with high package. Should you have any questions, feel free to contact us by email or call. Thank you very much.